Hey, Alice. Well, we had a beautiful day, a kind of chilly weekend, and now change is coming.
And that means the threat of storms. So let's head to Ben's house. Ben?
Yeah, the heat and humidity is going up, but you're right, Kim. I mean, it's 72 out there. The air is really dry. It's a very comfortable evening. Even though the clouds are starting to increase, we're seeing less sunshine, but it's tomorrow night going into Wednesday morning that really is going to have our focus. And that's where the slight risk for severe weather has sort of been upgraded from marginal. You see that yellow area, and that includes parts of the west and north zone. A majority of us in that marginal risk, but this is going to be very late Tuesday night. We're talking probably closer to sunrise as we go into Wednesday morning. Still a chance that we could see some showers tonight, but we're really not worried about the strength of these. You can see some activity there out over Lake Michigan. It's probably going to be closer to about 10 o'clock or so before we start seeing some showers here. And again, most of this will be in the form of just a little bit of rain. So let's take you through tonight's forecast. And once we get that area through, once we get past midnight or so, we're going to be on the dry side of things. And that's the way we're going to stay through the bulk of tomorrow. We're going to get some sunshine in here for a good portion of the day, which is really going to bring those temperatures up. This is midnight tomorrow night going into Wednesday morning. Could see some thunderstorms, but it's this complex that starts rolling into the north zone at about 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. That's going to be our first big potential for severe weather. And you can see how that line just sort of elongates back there towards Ludington and then really starts to develop later into the morning. So from 9 a.m. to noon, 1 o'clock, the southern half of the area could be seeing some strong to severe weather as well. And then once we get into the mid to late afternoon, we're pretty much in the clear and should stay that way for the majority of this week. So we've got that one big area of thunderstorms to look at, and everything else looks pretty good. 62 tonight as those showers develop. Could be a rumble of thunder out there, but again, most of this is going to be in the form of rain. Let's look at heat index readings tomorrow, because as those temperatures climb and the humidity goes up, it's going to feel like 90 degrees, Romulus, and also in the city and much of the metro zone. So feeling almost 20 degrees warmer than where we're at right now. Upper 80s for heat index readings in the south zone tomorrow. West zone, probably not a whole lot different. Remember, we're going to see a lot of sunshine across the area. So these numbers not going to look a whole lot different. Not going to be a whole lot of clouds to sort of variate those temperatures and heat index readings. 87 in Sandusky, 90 in Macomb, and we'll see some mid-80s for heat index readings out towards Lake Huron. And that is the hottest temperature that we have in the forecast. Numbers come down a little bit into the low and mid-80s there by the back end of the week, but that weekend looks pretty good. We'll see high temperatures near 80 degrees. Morning lows are going to be generally in the 50s from Saturday night, Sunday night, and with plenty of sunshine. So once we get through these thunderstorms here midweek, it's smooth sailing, especially as we head into the upcoming weekend.
Yeah, that's nice. Okay,
Perfect.
Ben, thank you. Here's Paula Tutman.